Active listening is a crucial skill that allows individuals to better understand and connect with others. One important aspect of active listening is noting key points and main ideas. This allows the listener to better grasp the overall message and retain important information. In this video, we will explore strategies for noting key points and main ideas as part of active listening. One effective strategy for noting key points and main ideas is to use note-taking or summarization techniques. This can involve writing down keywords or phrases, creating bullet points, or creating a summary of the main points. Research has shown that taking notes can improve memory recall and comprehension. In a study published in the journal Psychological Science, participants who took notes by hand performed better on a test of recall than those who typed their notes on a computer. This is because when we write by hand, we are engaging more areas of the brain, which allows for better retention of information. Another strategy is to focus on the main idea and supporting details. The main idea is the central message or point that the speaker is trying to convey, while supporting details are the facts, examples, or evidence that the speaker uses to support the main idea. To identify the main idea and supporting details, listeners can ask themselves questions such as, what is the speaker trying to say? And what evidence is the speaker using to support their argument? By focusing on the main idea and supporting details, listeners can better understand the overall message and retain important information. It's also important to be able to identify the key points and main ideas, and to be able to separate them from less important information. For example, when a speaker is giving a presentation, they may include background information or anecdotes that are not directly related to the main topic. Listeners should be able to distinguish these elements and focus on the key points and main ideas. This can be done by asking oneself questions like, what is the most important information in this conversation? And what information is not relevant to the main topic? Another strategy is to use active listening phrases like, if I understand you correctly, or so. The main point is this helps to confirm if the listener understood the speaker correctly, and it also helps to summarize the main points of the conversation. For example, if you are in a meeting and you are not sure if you have understood the main points, you can say, I want to make sure I understand. So the main points of the discussion are X, Y, and Z. Am I correct? This allows the speaker to confirm or correct the listener's understanding, and it also helps to keep the conversation on track. In addition to the strategies mentioned above, it's also important to be aware of one's own thoughts and emotions. Active listening requires concentration and focus. If the listener is preoccupied with their own thoughts or emotions, they may not be able to fully understand or retain the information being presented. By being aware of one's own thoughts and emotions, listeners can better focus on the speaker and the information being presented. In conclusion, noting key points and main ideas is an important aspect of active listening. By using note-taking or summarization techniques, focusing on the main idea and supporting details, identifying key points and main ideas and separating them from less important information, and using active listening phrases, listeners can improve their ability to understand and retain important information. This can lead to better communication and more meaningful connections with others. Additionally, being aware of one's own thoughts and emotions can help improve focus and concentration, which is essential for active listening.